And we will begin with the oath of allegiance of the Deputy President. And may I request Mr. Deputy President-elect to repeat after me. I,
Rigathi Gachagua,
in full realization of the high calling I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution
of Kenya
as by law established, and all other laws
of the Republic,
and that I will protect
and that I'll protect
and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya.
and the dignity of the people of Kenya.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais.